Hello students, continuation of the Maths 1B, the straight line, the last topics here very important and long answers also very important here. Depend on the theorems, we have the problems. In this class, we are discussing about in 10th class already studied the triangle properties, centroid, orthogonal center, only formulas you have to derive there. How to you have to in theorems you can apply here in this session. Okay. First, what I am saying, the first is concurrent lines means 3 or 4 lines meets at one line. Properties related to the triangle means if it is a triangle, we have the 3 sides or 3 lines. Depend on the properties, we have the theorems here. First one is concurrent of the median. A triangle is centroid, that is called here centroid only. Concurrent of the median is a triangle. Concurrents, median of the triangle is a concurrent. How to prove this is, you can observe here. This is called here centroid, is called here centroid. Therefore, I am taking the theorem is observed here. The median of the triangles are the concurrent. The median of the triangles are concurrent. The median of the triangles are concurrent. Okay. Proof observe here. First I draw one triangle. Okay. This is a median means first you can observe here. Median. Mid. Any can take the triangles A vertices, B vertices and C. Median means the midpoint of the opposite vertices. Therefore, A opposite BC line is there. Therefore, BC midpoint is D. Therefore, AD is called median. Therefore, you can take here medians. Okay. First you can write the let A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2, C of x3 comma y3 be the vertices of the triangle ABC. And line equations you can observe here. AB L1 is equal to, or you can write here BC is equal to this L1. This is BC only. L1 is. This is a CA. Our convenience I am writing this is AB lines. L1 BC line equation A1x plus B1y plus C1. L2 is CA. A2x plus B2y plus C2. L3 is A3x plus B3y plus C3 is AB's equations. AB equation and BC and AC are CA. Okay. Now I am writing another lambda R. Lambda R is any line is, that is A to the power of x to the power of r. Sorry, AR XR plus BR YR plus CR. And lambda R also you can interchange the R is, if it is A1 X2 depend on the X1 Y1 X2 X3 and A1 B2 A1 A2 A3. Therefore I can write here AR XS plus BR YS plus CR is equal to 0. Therefore XY is changing as a X1 X2 X3. Therefore R is equal to 1 2 3. S is equal to also you can take here 1 2 3 because A1 B1 C1 is changing here 1 2 3 only. It is if it is not equal to 0, it is equal to 0. You are waiting here. Next figure, suppose you can write here. This is the intersection of the figure and what is given here. Median how to write here. Next you have to prove this is. First I am writing here. Suppose D comma E comma F, capital D comma E comma F are the median midpoints of the sides BC BC midpoint is D and E is nothing but AC or CA, comma, and AB respectively. Okay, then the equation of the median AD, median is AD is, I can write here intersection of the AB line and AC line. Okay, these are concurrent. Okay, these are concurrent here. Touching the two lines is here concurrent. Therefore, I can write here L3. L3 is nothing but AB plus lambda AC. AC is nothing but what is CA or AC? L2 is equal to 0. Call this equation number 1. Clear all of this is L3 plus lambda L2 is equal to intersect of this line is, you can write here concurrent, you already studied in 3 exercise. Okay, 3D. Okay, therefore you can 3C, in 3C you have studied this is L3 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. This is a concurrent only. Okay, next is I can write, you can substitute here L3 and L2 values. L3 is how much it is? A3x plus B3y plus C3 plus lambda of L2 is nothing but A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. But D is passing through the AD. Therefore, D is what is the D coefficient is, or D point is how much that is? Midpoint of the AC, not BC. Midpoint of BC. Therefore, I can write here x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y2 plus y3 by 2. This is a midpoint. Okay, this is a midpoint. Therefore, observe here I am writing here. This is a AD. D is point belongs to AD. Therefore, AD equation this is, you can substitute the x comma y as a x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Therefore, what happens is, you can write here A3 of x2 plus x3 by 2 plus B3 y2 plus y3 by 2. Total is completed. This is first equation plus C3 plus lambda of A2. X is nothing but x2 plus x3 by 2 plus B2 B2 y2 plus y3 by 2 plus C2 is equal to 0. This is I am substituting here x and y as replace x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Then this can be done as, observe here, you can write here directly. I can write, how can I write this is lambda of lambda 3. This is all the terms is in it is A3 B3 C3 means lambda 3 plus lambda of this is A2 B2 C2. Therefore, I can write here at lambda 2 is equal to 0. Lambda 2 is equal to 0. I am replacing as a here A XR YR CR. Okay, this is XR YR CR. Therefore, I can write here lambda 3. This is lambda 2. Okay, this is called here equation number 2. You can solve your 1 comma 2. You get the one equation, or you get the one relation ED equation you can get in. I will explain. Okay, wait. Next, L3 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Lambda 3 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. We have two equations. This is. Then you can solve these two equations. Then listen here. L3 I am multiplying with lambda 3. Therefore, what happened? Lambda 3 L3 plus lambda 3 L2 is equal to 0. I am multiplying. This is L3. L3 lambda 3 plus lambda L2 L3 L3 is equal to 0. Therefore, you can subtract here. These two terms is cancelling, and I can write here lambda you can take common. What I mean that is lambda 3 L2 minus L2 lambda 3. This is L2 L3 lambda 2 L3 lambda 2 is equal to 0. If lambda is not equal to 0, then I can write here lambda 3 L2 minus lambda 2 L3 is equal to 0. Okay, you got this one. This is like AD equation you can write here. AD equation is what you get here? Lambda 3 L2 minus lambda 2 L3 is equal to 0. AD equation what you got here? Lambda 3 L3 minus lambda 3 L2 is equal to 0. Similarly, BE equation I can write here lambda 3 L1 minus lambda 2 L1 is equal to 0. Okay, BE equation. And CF equation also. CF equations you can write here lambda 1 L2 lambda 2 L1 is equal to 0. This is, you can simplify, you get the answer. Since you can observe here, since I can write this all the terms in, okay, one set only. Therefore, concurrent means you can write here all the equations are in the one center only. Therefore, you can write here lambda 1 into L2 L3 lambda 2 L3 minus lambda 3 L2 plus lambda 2. First time taking the equation lambda 2 L3 minus lambda 3 L2, and second one is lambda 3 L1 minus lambda 2 L1 plus lambda 3 lambda 1 L2 minus lambda 2 L1 is equal to 0. This total terms are here, you get the 0 only. Thus you can write here this, or then we say that the median AD comma BE comma CF are concurrent, passing through the only one line. That is called here G. What is the G means? Centroid of a triangle. It is denoted a G only. Okay, already you are, this is studied in 10th class also. I will explain. I can write your notes. It is a theorem, but it is not a how to find the problems. You can write this is a note only. How to find the problem process I will tell you. What you have to discussing about this concurrent. First one is median is observe here. I am writing here. Concurrent point of median. Point of median. What is that is G centroid. G centroid. Okay, it is only centroid. Okay, next second one note is I am saying that is centroid always lies in the triangle only. If it is triangle, right angle triangle, or acute angle, absolute angle, any angle triangle, the centroid is must in the inside of the triangle only. It is a very important. Okay, I am writing the centroid G always lies inside of the triangle. Inside of the triangle. Okay, listening here. Inside of the triangle. Third one is it is G divides. I can draw a figure also. A, B, C. This is the midpoint D, na? Therefore D is or B. Its ratio is 2:1. I can add here. G divides AD median. AD median in 2:1 ratio. Which ratio? 2:1 ratio. And fourth one is formula is G is equal to, if it is vertices given x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, then for accumulate here x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. It is a formula only. Centroid means you can substitute, you get the answer here. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y by 3. This is the concept of the centroid. You can do problems. It is a very simple problems are there here. You can take any vertices given, then you can do problem. But I will go over the next topic is, okay. Next topic is orthocenter, or you can write here concurrent of the attitude of the triangle. What I am saying here, concurrency of the attitude triangles. Previously what you studied, that is the median. Next time here telling the attitudes. Altitudes are the altitudes of the triangles are concurrent. Attitudes of the altitudes of the triangles are concurrent. Means you can draw here the altitudes of the triangles are concurrent. Okay, proof observe here. You can draw here vertices ABC triangle. Okay, AD, B and CF are the altitude. Okay, means you can write here perpendicular. Perpendicular means you can write here, you can throw a one coin or a stone, it is directly where is coming and touching, that is a only called, that is a attitude only directly same 90 degrees only. Okay, therefore this is called here angle with AD is with BC saying that the angle is 90 degrees only. 90 degrees. Okay, therefore AD and BE and CF also, this is also altitudes. Okay, next ఇప్పుడు vertices of AX comma Y, A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2, C is x3 and y3. It is O is 0 0 origin, or it is denoted H comma O only. H or O both are same here. Orthogonal center is denoted H or O. Okay? Next, if it is observed here, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD line is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, it is 0, 0 is given HRO. Therefore, what is the equation is? I can write here. AD equation is x1 minus 0 into these two terms, x2 minus x3 is equal to or plus y1 minus 0 into, we have the formula, this is perpendicular to line only, okay. Y1 minus 0, y1 minus x1 is and into y2 minus y3 is equal to 0. This can be written as x1 into x2 minus x3 plus y1 of y2 minus y3 is equal to 0. Call your equation 1. Similarly, BE is perpendicular to CA or AC. Therefore, I can write here x2, x3 minus x1 plus y2, y3 minus y1 is equal to 0. Call this equation number 1. From 1 and 2, you can write here. You can from 1 and 2 you can write here. Simplify. This also can write here x1 of, or already x1 is over na, therefore x3 of. X3 means you can write here x2 minus x1 plus y3 of y2 minus y1. You can write one side both are equal and 0 based, adding these two terms and multiply. First you can take here x3 common, you get the same as this. Therefore, that is I can write this is x3 minus 0 into x2 minus x1, y3 minus 0 into y2 minus y1 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is also can write here CF. CF is perpendicular to AB equation. Here AD is perpendicular to BC, BE perpendicular to CA, CF is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, it is called here attitudes of the drawn from the AB. Therefore, what it says AD, BE. Therefore, you are meeting all the AD and BE and CF at one side only, one center only. Therefore, CF is, can write here CF is drawn to CF also intersection at H only, intersection of the at H only, and this is CF is altitude, okay. Therefore, AD comma BE comma CF are concurrent. What is the concurrent means? Here passing through the only one point only, then the lines are concurrent. Already you have studied 2 or 3 lines are touching a one point only, therefore the lines are here called here concurrent. Therefore, here you can write this is H is the capital H is or O, anyone O or H is the orthocenter. of the triangle ABC. Orthocenter of the triangle ABC. This is important. How to find the orthocenter? I will explain the problem. What you are doing here? You can find the AD equation and BE equation. If you are getting the two equation, intersect of these two equation is the only orthocenter. This is the method of the finding the orthocenter. Okay. Next, we have one on this orthocenter. We have the notes. Okay, I will explain. Notes, observe here. Attitudes of the congruent lines. Total attitudes are the incongruent only. Meet at one line, one point only. The point of the congruent of the attitude is orthocenter. This is called here orthocenter. Attitudes. These are their attitudes. Okay. Attitudes. Then third one is very important. Here we have the three types of the orthocenters. First is in triangle is acute triangle. Then the edge lies in the inside only. Okay. Absolute angle means 90 degrees above only. One angle is 90 degrees above. Therefore, the outside of the edge is outside of the triangle. This is outside is edge. H, it is a right angle triangle, then lies on the triangle. Lies on the triangle only. Therefore, you can observe here, where is a 90 degrees, this vertices only orthocenter only. If it is given vertices, three vertices, where is a 90 degrees vertices here? If it is A 90 degrees, therefore A vertice is the orthocenter only. This is the important of the orthocenters concept. Okay. First is inside when acute angle, absolute angle is outside, on the angle on the triangle when right angle triangle. Okay. This is the orthocenter. How to find? You can find the first AD equation and BE equation. Therefore, you can intersect of the AD and BE, you get the answer one. Okay. This is a method. Okay. This is a long question process. Okay. Next problem. Example, find the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are -5, -7, 13, 2 and -5, 6. Can do one problem is orthocenter. Okay, it is given vertices A, B, C. I am writing vertices. Therefore, slope of BC is, what is the formula here? y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. I can write here, I am taking the BC is 6 minus 2 by -5 minus 13 is equal to 4 by minus 18, or I can write here -2 by 9. It is called here M1 is equal to BC slope is equal to -2 by 9. Again, now BC is perpendicular to AD. Therefore, find the AD slope is. Then AD slope I can write here -1 by M1. Therefore, what did you get here? 9 by 2. Okay, 9 by 2. And M2, or this is M2, is equal to 9 by 2. And vertices we have here -5, -7. Then AD equation, how can that here? AD equation is y plus 7, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M is nothing but, how can that here? 9 by 2. Y plus 7 is equal to 9 by 2 of x plus 5. You can simplify, you get the directly here. 2y plus 14 is equal to 9x plus 45, or I can write directly 9x minus 2y plus 31 is equal to 0. This is your AD equation. AD equation. Then find the BE equation. Therefore, slope of the AC. Slope of the AC is, can write here A vertices is, therefore I can write here 6 plus 7 by minus 5 of minus 5. Therefore 13 by 0 is nothing but infinity. Again, now AC is perpendicular to BE. Therefore BE slope is open right here. 1 by infinity is nothing but 0. You got here BE slope 0, and what is here? B is equal to 13 comma 2. Therefore I can write here y minus 2 is equal to 0 into, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here also I am using this formula only here. Okay, therefore m into 0 into x minus 13. Therefore y minus 2 is equal to 0. You got here y is equal to 2 only. Y is equal to 2 you got here. Next you can substitute here equation number 1. Substituting the y is equal to 2 in equation number 1. What will get here? 9 of x asterisk minus 2 of 2 plus 31 is equal to 0, or 9x plus 27 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 plus 31 is nothing but plus 27, or 9x is equal to minus 27, x is equal to minus 3. Therefore x comma y is equal to, I can write here minus 3 comma 2. What is here? X comma 3 is AD and BE intersection. This is called here ortho center also. It is called here ortho center. Ortho center is called here ortho center also. If you are finding the AD equation and BE equation, intersection of the, that is intersection is, you are solving these two equations. Already this is equation y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation. You can solving this equation, two equations, you get the y is equal to 2 you are getting directly here, and substitute here in equation number 1. What happens, that is you get the x value. Therefore x comma y is nothing but the ortho center. This is the method of the finding the ortho center. Okay, this is very important. Same ortho center, if it is given equations, if the equation of the sides of the triangles are 7x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, x plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0, find the ortho center of the triangle. Ortho center of the triangle. What is the ortho center of the? It is perpendicular to the bisector. Okay, perpendicular to the bisector. Therefore, listen, what is the method is, you can observe here. First you can assume the given triangles equations. AB is equal to x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, BC is equal to 7x minus 5 minus 1 is equal to 0, and CA is equal to x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, ortho center is attitude of the triangles, not a attitude of the triangles. Attitude means draw a perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. Okay, therefore listen, what is given equations you can write here. AB is equal to how much, that is x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, BC is 7x plus 5 minus 10 is equal to 0, AC is equal to x plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0. What you have to find here? Intersect of the H is, you can find here H. Means you can find AD equation and B equation. Anyone you want your equation, you first you can any point in line, any point you want, again slope. If it is given, it is perpendicular to AD is perpendicular to BC, therefore this slope is how much you can write here. If it is slope of BC is if you have, therefore minus 1 by m, you got here AD slope also. AD is slope also. Same B is slope. It is perpendicular to x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then you can find the slope. You can find the vertices here A comma B. D is not a midpoint. If you have midpoint is another method, circumcenter. It is a D, you cannot finding here. You can find here A comma B points. How can you find A comma B is you can solve these two equations, you get the A point. You can solve these two equations, you get the B point. Therefore, you can solve here 1 and 3. X minus 2y plus 5 and x plus y plus 2. These two equations here 1 and 3. I am solving the equations 1 and 3. Direct method you can solve. What the equations is x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the coefficient of x is same, therefore you can subtract minus minus minus. X is it cancel. Minus 2y minus 5 minus 3y plus 5 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, I can write here minus 3y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to 1 you got here. Y is equal to 1. Same, x is equal to how much it is? You can take any 3 equation or number 3 equation. Equation number 3. X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. I am substituting here y is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. Therefore, 1 comma 3 is nothing but A vertice. A is what is how much it is? 1 comma minus 3. You got here A vertices. Okay. And solving here B what means you can solve these two equations. Solving equation B, where is the common is B is 1 and 2. Solving B 1 and 2. Therefore, what is it here? X minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 7x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. You can do any method. You can multiply with this is 2. You get the 2y only as this. I am multiplying here 2 only. Listen. This is I can write here x as this minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. You can multiply what happens, it is 14x plus 2y minus 20 is equal to 0. You can solve this is plus minus is there, therefore add these two equations. 15x, x plus 14x is 15x. This is a minus 15 is equal to 0. You got here x is equal to 15 by 15. X is equal to 1 you got here. X is equal to 1. Similarly, take any equation. X minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 1. What happened that is minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. And y is equal or minus 6. Y is equal to 3. 1 comma 3 you got here. 1 comma 3. B is what is 1 comma 3. A is how much it is? I am writing here A of 1 comma minus 3. Okay. You got here A value, A point and B point. B point is how much it is? 1 comma 3. Since you can observe here, first I am writing here AD is perpendicular to BC. Then BC slope right down here. BC slope how much that is? BC equation is y is equal to minus 7x plus 10. Therefore slope how much that is? Minus 7 only. M is equal to. Slope is minus 7. That implies AD slopes tell me what is, you can write here AD slope is minus 1 by m. Therefore minus of minus 1 by 7. 1 by 7 you got here. Minus 1 by 7 you got here. Therefore equation I can write here AD equation is You have the point is 1 comma minus 3 and slope is how much? It is 1 by 7. Therefore formula is y minus y1 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 7 of x minus x1. Therefore 7y plus 21 is equal to x minus 1, or I can write here, bring all this LHS, x minus 7y minus 1 this is, I can write here, y plus 3. So some correction is, this is a is equal to what you got here, x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 1. Therefore you can write here, I am writing once again here, a is equal to minus 3 comma 1, b is equal to 1 comma 3, okay, 1 comma 3 is okay, but a is equal to minus 3 comma 1. Therefore same slope you are getting the 1 by 7 only, but here y minus 1 you are getting here, minus 1, 1 by 7, x plus 3, x plus 3. Therefore it is a wrong. You getting here 7y minus 7 is equal to x plus 3, or I can write here x minus 7y, x minus 7y plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 0, x minus 7y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the correction. Okay, what the equation is? AD equation. AD equation, here called equation number 4. This is a AD equation. What you got here? X minus 7 plus 10 only. Okay, once again I am writing here AD equation is x minus 7y plus 10 is equal to 0. Then can also find your BE equations. I am finding the BE equation. First I can write here BE is perpendicular to AC or CA. Therefore AC slope is, first you can write your equation. AC equation is what is given here. AC equation is, what is the AC equation? I am writing here AC equation. Last is x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore that can be written as y is equal to, I can write this is minus x minus 2. Therefore slope m1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore BE slope is 1 only. 1 by minus 1 is equal to 1 only. Therefore this is a B is perpendicular to AC, already wrote. And E is how much the value? B is what is the B is 1 comma 3 and slope is how much it is? Equation BE equation I can write here y minus y1, y minus y1, y minus y1 is equal to y minus y1 not, y minus 3 is equal to, y1 means 3, m into x minus x1. Therefore this can be written as x minus y x minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 0, x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the BE equation. AD equation you got here. This is called 4th. And the BE equation, this is a 5. Then you can solve these two equations. You get the orthogonal center. What is asking here? Orthogonal center H. Orthogonal center. You can solve these two equations. You get the orthogonal center. Solve 4 and 5. What is the 4 is? 7y plus 10 is equal to 0. And x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. I am solving these two equations, means you can do subtract, minus plus minus, x is cancel, minus 6y, it is 8, 10 minus 2 is nothing but plus 8 is equal to 0, or 6y is equal to minus 8, y is equal to 8 by 6, y is equal to 8 by 6 is nothing but 4 by 3. Substitute any equation, you get the x value. Therefore, I am taking the from phi. What is the x minus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0. X as it is minus 4 by 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to, I can write here 2 minus 4 by 3, 4 plus 3. Therefore, 6 plus 4 by 3. This is minus 2 you are writing here. Minus 2 plus 4 by 3 is nothing but minus 6 plus 4 by 3. Minus 6 plus 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. X is equal to how much it is? Minus 2 by 3. Therefore, H is x comma y is orthocenter is minus 2 by 3 comma 4 by 3. This is the orthocenter finding. If it is vertices given or equations given, the methods, two methods are there here. Orthogonal center, circumcenter, in center. Only the most important is the orthocenter and circumcenters. Okay. End of the problems.